Dayna here from Lodge City Rentals. Now I have a perfect opportunity for you to live in this popular suburb of Western Heights. This gorgeous wee home is 16a Highgrove Drive. Positioned hilltop, you are down a private right-of-way cul-de-sac and close to local amenities. You just cannot go wrong here. Let's go in and check it out. Unit features a single internal access garage with a laundry. The spacious open plan kitchen and living area is complete with an electric wall heater and a dishwasher for your added comfort. Flowing through to the low maintenance private patio, this space is a great spot to enjoy an evening wine. There are 2 bedrooms and a well-equipped bathroom with a shower over bar. Beautifully presented 2-bedroom homes don't come up often in this area. I encourage you to inquire today through our website or contact Kim Green for more information. If you have an investment property you'd like us to manage or are simply after more info on our property management services, also adhere to our website lodge.co.nz.